and welcome to my minimalist room tour. This is all that I own. A pair of this, shoes, one. Yeah, they are enough for me. And my box. I live in a really hot place, so these tiles provide for a comfortable mattress at night and during the daytime. So I don't require a mattress or a bed. I don't own either. Like I said before, my hands make for a comfortable and very, very convenient pillow. So I don't need those. So I go like this, sometimes I sleep like this. Other times when I'm feeling too crazy, I even use my shoes and do like this. What about coffee, you ask? Yeah, bought that. No. It is too materialistic for me, so I've done away with that too. Doesn't go well with my lifestyle. And I find my saliva to be very useful in the morning, so I don't eat or drink anything. Thank you. I'll go through my stuff with you. This is my wardrobe. This is everything that I own. A cap, because sometimes you travel and you get hot. My hijab, yeah. A black tee, and my sweatpants. Now, I know you may think I live a luxurious life because I own two sweatpants, like see this one and this one. But no, this is a softer one, and this is also a jean. So it's very multi-purpose. These are my boxing gloves. Yeah. So, and I own one pair of socks, you know. So right now, as you can see, I'm not wearing anything. So as you can see, minimalism is very important to me. So I'm going to take this part, I'm going to take you to the bathroom to see what we have there. This is the tour. I'm almost done with the room tour. I hope you're getting very good results from this. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Welcome to my bathroom. So, as you can see, I do use this as pajamas most of the time. So, as a minimalist, I have a toothpaste. This will last me, say, a year. And no, you wasteful children. No, I don't have a toothbrush. God created my fingers for me, and I do this. As you can see, I drop it here. How do I wash my hands, you ask me with no soap? Good question. What I do is, toothpaste can clean your mouth. Why shouldn't it be used as a soap to wash your hands too? Think multifunction. Thank you. So I do this again, right? And see, soap. You have soap. I wash my hands. Always wash your hands. No excuse. I do shower in this small place too. It's you may see it as small, but what you see as small is me washing one part of my body after the other in the sink. It is that simple. See, think multi-function. Where is the soap that I use to wash my body, you may ask? This. It can be used as to wash your hands. Why can't you use this to take a shower? There's no reason for you not to use this to take a shower, right? That is what I do. Think minimalist. Yes. Thank you for coming to my room, so let's wash our hands. As a towel, as I don't own any, I use this my job as towel, as I just showered. So thank you very much for coming to my room. No guys, I don't actually live like this. Let's go and take a proper room tour. Well, hello there. I didn't even see you. Thank you for coming. I think you're ready, right? I think you're ready. Okay, hang on. Let me tell you. First step, detangle earpiece. So you make your way through the bedroom. I'm going to start with my workstation. Very, very important part of this room. I decorated it with aesthetically pleasing items and symbolic items and functional items. The art piece here, I did it myself. The only thing I have ever painted. I am so proud of it. So I also read books on there as well. So this Khalid, I haven't read this one. I read this one. I was done with it. So Ibrahim Slama is an amazing author, by the way. So I still don't have the heart to read the other book because of the reviews. So yeah, I will read it soon. Moving on to this art piece, I have 4 of them. They are small and minimalistic in a way. I love them. Plants everywhere, yes. So you move into the second shelf. We have some of my camera stuff, tripod, and art. Look at this part of this one. This is the second one. Also earpiece for my podcast. I do podcast or voice over with earpiece anyway. So I don't like things getting lost, so I just put it there. Up there we have my sentimental stuff, like this jewelry here. Was given to me by somebody very special, so I want to see it all the time. Coats. These are my favorite coats, by the way, so I just framed them and put them there. So yeah, that's that. I also work from here and journal and write. It's like I said, it's one of the most important part of the room, so I took my time decorating, and the pieces I put in there are all very important and personal to me. So yeah, that's about it for this. So we move on to the center of the room. We have that rug. I don't know what to call it. Rafik, I don't know how to pronounce it. So that place is my wardrobe. And it has a snake plant on top of it with an art piece that I'm going to give you a close-up look for later. And some plant over there. You make your way here. I have this rug that I actually thrifted. Yeah, I love it so much. So my nightstand has something underneath it, and I keep my water bottles there. And that water bottle, before Ramadan, because right now it's Ramadan, it's the first day of Ramadan, but I really, really enjoy hydrating. Like I have 2 water bottles. I think it was when I got really deep into skincare that I started to care about hydration. Also, you'll see a power bank soon. It's part of our identity card here in Nigeria, in case you don't know what that is. A nightstand, and also the art piece that I was talking about. This is the 3rd one. And moving on to some plants and my glasses, obviously. Whilst designing this, I told the carpenter to actually create shelves so that I could put some books that I knew right away, boxing gloves, and obviously a bag that was right there. And the books here are things that I've journaled. I was talking about the second shelf. So yeah, I have a big rounded mirror over my dresser and some plants. What that does is create the illusion that the place is actually bigger than it actually is. So you can see the green candles. So every candle kind of matches some aesthetic on the hair is matching with some of the plants. Look at Rihanna blossoming. I love my plants. They're my babies. I was literally trying to make the place look kind of nice, the way you see YouTube videos. Anyway, this is my favorite part of the room, coffee. And then there's a plant, snake plant right next to it. Look at this baby. You just gave birth to that baby. So yeah, the reason I keep my dresser desk clean, I don't put anything on top of it except for this vanity mirror and some plants and some candles, is because I really wanted to look spacious and not cluttered. Clutter kind of deals negatively with my mind, and I don't appreciate it. So yeah, let's go to the balcony. Ooh. I was dancing in the mirror. Okay, God, that day I suffered then. But yeah, I love this place. It just brings me this serenity and utter peace of mind with joy when I come out here in the morning to have coffee and enjoy myself. I love it long time. This is why I built this desk and chair by myself so I could come here and look over and just have a cup of joe. So this is the view from the balcony. Let me get that tripod out of the way so that you could get a better look. Okay, we're done with that. All right, you didn't even see all of that. Let's just get started. So you walk in. This is how the room is organized. I painted, a fun fact, I painted the carpenter didn't make the furnitures white. I had to repaint them white. He made some off-white color. I made a whole vlog about it that I didn't post. I was so disappointed in that. And then he kept telling me that they are white. Can you imagine? Me, taking me for a food. I don't know color. I have a lot of snake plants actually, as you can see. There's one next to my nightstand. There's one by the door. There's one by the dresser. There's another one by up there. I don't know. I was trying my best to make the bed look, good.
but I hate making the bed, and that's just not me. So yeah, epic fail. I just laid there. I was like, nah, this can't be my life. I'm done. So I got my phone, was texting somebody or maybe checking social media. I'm not sure at this rate.
Minimalism isn't about owning nothing and basically you being devoid of all joy. Well, this is why I curated this room like this.
Remember the fourth one, the fourth art? Yeah, this is it.
Yes, true to the stereotype, I do really like white color because it keeps things like really clean and, you know, spacious.
Well, of course, I love candles more than I love people. Who doesn't? So as they're already functional, I just made the placement of them aesthetically pleasing and clean. Obviously, it's no secret at this rate I have a long-standing relationship with all of black coffee that isn't instant. I love it. I was pouring one out to sit there. That place is so functional. I won't talk about this, that snake plant though. So I spray painted a bag of cement to house it first. Yeah.
There's actually that. I'm very, very creative.
So yeah, I clearly love this place. Like, it's so functional. I sit there to record my YouTube videos. I also read a book, take a coffee. If a friend comes over, a friend or two, we sit there, we have a conversation, coffee dates, all in that place. Yeah. And I also meditate here. Sometimes I journal. Sometimes I also pray there actually. Yeah. It's an incredible space. I love this place.
Really appreciative of you being here. I wanted to address something. On the title of the video, to which you've already seen, it's titled Minimalist Room Tour or something to that regard. I'm not sure what. I shall know that there is going to be minimalist in there. I want to explain it to you. Minimalism to me, the reason I put that is because of keyword. Number one, a lot of people have referred to me as a minimalist, and I do sometimes to a certain degree regard myself as a minimalist, but the whole boxing myself thing is something that I actually don't like myself, because I do really live a very, very simple lifestyle. I love it so much and easy for me to live. But at the same time, that is just my lifestyle. If something brings me joy and happiness, I keep it. If something doesn't, I throw it out. I don't appreciate clutter. It's that simple. I don't want the whole it's very stereotypical anyway, but a lot of people have this assumption that if you're a minimalist, you have to have one shirt, two pairs of pants and underwear or not. I don't know why you'll have it. I don't appreciate the stereotypes.
Especially because I've always been this person. Only now and there's a name for it.
Yeah. I just wanted that to be clear. I am just myself. So these are the kinds of things that you find me doing. These are the kinds of things. I naturally don't know how to slow down.
And this brings us to the end of this video. Please share, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for stopping by.
I swear to God, I'm a joke.